watch Easton on the field a little bit. Watching him pay attention or not. And begin to the not paying attention. This is what he does. The other kids are playing a game. They're all doing that to some extent, but Easton is definitely the most out of it. No, I'm making a movie of Easton not paying attention. Oh, he knows he's being watched now. He doesn't know that somebody's standing in front of him anymore. It means nothing to him. Oh! Sorry, I was paying attention to the game. There he goes again. Mr. Breakdancer. You gonna pay attention at all, ever?
Gabriel, nice hit, buddy.
You think Dad to yell at him? Nope, just to ignore him. I don't think he's going to pay attention. That's what I think.